Okay, so we're going to use a few more functions just on the total profit here. And what we're going to do is you're going to start off by clicking in here. Now I know I did say I'm working with the total profit and I've just clicked under the total sold. The reason being I'm going to be putting headings in here. So I'm going to say min, max, average, grand total. Now, one of the things you'll notice, as soon as you type grand total, it does go over. So we are going to need to extend this cell a little bit. And you'll also notice I've left one row between this and the spreadsheet. You also have to leave at least one row. If you want to leave more, that's fine. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use a range of functions. So I'm going to start off by typing equals and then min, open brackets, and then I'm going to click in this top cell, hold down with the mouse, drag, and then close the brackets again. That has now worked out the minimum number in here, which happens to be this one, orange juice. I'm going to also work out the max. So I'm going to type equals max, open brackets, click, hold down with the mouse, drag, and drop. Okay, so all we're doing is we're using a function and a cell range. So the same with average. So I'm opening the brackets, clicking with the mouse, dragging, and dropping. So you can see I've used a few different formulas here, min, max, and average. And then for the last one, I am going to use a sum formula. So I've typed the words equals sum, click, hold down with the mouse, drag, and drop. Okay, so those are the formulas that we are going to need. Now you will notice on my average there, it has a number of decimal places. We'll tidy that up later. But what I wanted to do is just make sure that you have your spreadsheet ready to go, because this is near enough the completed spreadsheet before now we enhance it a little bit more with some color, grid lines, and other formatting.